Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the weekly time frame to 15 minutes time frame. I have marked there current support and resistance levels for today. And when we look at the economical events plan for today, today is Wednesday, February 22nd. At 6 AM we have high impact news plan for Australian dollar related currency pairs, and at 6:30 AM we have multiple high impact news plan for New Zealand dollar related currency pairs. Again at 7:30 also we have a high impact news plan for New Zealand dollar related currency pairs, and at 2:30 PM we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs, and we have G20 meeting all day today, which will have a medium impact in the market. Let us quickly look at the price action in dollar index before starting gold analysis. So looking at the dollar index in 4 hours time frame, we already know that price action was trading within a bullish channel pattern, and also we know that it was taking support around the support level of 103, and yesterday we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Again, when we notice a candlesticks it has formed an indecision candle, which shows that bullishness has become weaker. The reason being that it is finding difficult to break this midline of this bullish channel pattern. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can again expect the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement and to again take support around the support level of 103. And since the price action went on a bullish side retracement yesterday, we could have noticed bearish trend to continue in gold. And based on the price action for today, we can expect a opposite price action in gold for today. Let us proceed with our gold analysis. I am in weekly time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs, and for now when we look at the price action in weekly time frame, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish trend, and it is still in a bearish trend for now because it has not broken the previous candle's high. But when we closely analyze the current candle, the bearishness has become weaker. The wicks of the previous candle went up to the level of 1819, and the next candle didn't manage to break this support level of 1819, and also the candle sizes are smaller, which shows the weakness of bearish trend in weekly time frame. I've used a Fibonacci extension tool, assuming that this bearish trend is only a retracement or a correction of the bullish trend, and when we notice the level at which the current price action is taking support, it is around the level of 0.786% of the Fibonacci extension level, which is around 1830. So the price action is trying to break this support level of 1830, and only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the further fall on the bearish side retracement. And we already know that this level of 1819 again acting as a support for the future price action. And if the price action doesn't manage to break the support level of 1819, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in weekly time frame. So based on the current candle's price action, this level between 1830 to 1819 is going to be acting as a strong support for the current price action in weekly time frame. And if the price action manages to break the support zone, next level of support is going to be around 1719. Wait for the price action to form a indecision candles like this, which will give the confirmation on the trend reversal in weekly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame, and we already know that the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is also in a bearish trend, but we can notice that it is struggling to break this support level of 1830. So as explained in the weekly time frame also, this zone between 1830 to 1819 will be acting as a strong support zone, and if the price action doesn't manage to break this support zone, we can expect the bullish side bounce back to start. For now we are noticing a consolidation to start in daily time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support zone if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade in daily time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame, and we already know that previously the price action was trading within a bearish channel pattern, and looking at yesterday's price action, it tried very hard to break this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, but it failed and it had bounced back on the bearish side retracement. Again, this support zone between 1830 to 1819 is currently preventing the price action from falling further on the bearish side retracement, which means that currently the price action has taken support on this support level of 1830, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. Since yesterday's price action has breached this resistance line several times, we have noticed it to breach on the bullish side and also on the bearish side. This line will become invalid. So now we have a bullish trend line or support line where we have noticed the price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to come out from this consolidation, which means it has to break the previous high for freshly entering on the bullish side trade in 4 hours time frame, or wait for the price action to break the previous low, which is around 1819, in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade. For now, we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this support line and the resistance line. And as long as the price action is trading above this support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 4 hours time frame. So in 4 hours time frame also, we are looking the possibilities of the bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So when we look at the support and resistance levels for 4 hours time frame, currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1836 and support level of 1830. And if the price action breaks this bearish channel pattern resistance line and trends on the bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1846, which was also the previous high. And once the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1855, 1863, 1875 and 1890. And if the price action breaks this support zone between 1830 to 1819, the next level of support is going to be around 1812, 1803 and 1791. So if the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue, and as long as this support zone is holding, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and when we look at the past price action in hourly time frame, the price action had respected this bearish channel pattern resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, and we have noticed it to trend on the bearish side retracement. And after taking support around the support level of 1830, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Wait for it to break this resistance line from the bearish channel pattern in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal in hourly time frame. For now, the price action is trading between this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the support line from the 4 hours time frame on a sideways price action. Breaking this resistance line, we can expect the start of the bullish side retracement, and breaking this support line will give the confirmation on the continuation of the current bearish trend. So when we look at the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, currently it is trading between the support level of 1834 and resistance level of 1837, and if the bullish side retracement continues, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1841, 1844, 1847, 1852 and 1858. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks this trend line or support line from the 4 hours time frame, next level of support is going to be around 1830, 1827, 1822, 1819 1815 and 1806. And this area between 1830 to 1819 is a very strong support zone from the higher time frame. Once the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the current bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame also. And for now, we are noticing the signs of bullish side trend reversal in hourly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, we are clearly seeing a price action to form a double bottom pattern. So once the price action breaks the neck level of the double bottom pattern, which is going to be around 1840, we can expect the bullish side bounce back to start. And next level of resistance is going to be around 1840, which is the resistance line from the hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish side trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame. Till then, we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line from the hourly time frame and the 4 hours time frame, and a sideways price action. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1835 and support level of 1834. And if the bullish trend continues, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1837, 1838, 1840, 1843 and 1847. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks a support level of 1834, next level of support is going to be around 1833 and 1830. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I'm in 15 minutes time frame and current price action is trading between the resistance level of 1835 and support level of 1833. And if the price action takes support on the support level of 1833 and continues its bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1837, 1839, 1841, 1844 and 1848. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, breaking this trend line or support line from the 4 hours time frame, next level of support is going to be around 1830. Please refer the higher time frame support levels on the bearish side. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.